If you need to recover your Deliveroo account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Deliveroo login page. Go to the Deliveroo website or open the app and navigate to the login page where you usually enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Deliveroo account. Make sure to input the correct email to receive recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from Deliveroo. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you have regained access to your account, consider updating your account information, including adding a new phone number if necessary to avoid future access issues. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Deliveroo account without needing your old phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Deliveroo's customer support for further assistance.